The digital divide, the world of paper and pencil against the world of tablets, computers, and much more digitalized learning materials and media. Today, there's many children that live without technology or have access to technology, such as tablets, computers, internet connections. They don't get to experience that. The digital divide is seen as unequal access to technology and its digital applications. Some people have luxury, and others don't. Without digital materials, students can be unengaged, unprepared for advancement, unprepared for future jobs and ventures. Just copying down notes doesn't make it anymore. Learning and only writing down notes as the teacher presents it and memorization really doesn't stick that long. Hands-on engagement is left out. Just watching and trying to memorize what is being talked about. Writing on chalkboards for teachers and students, copying down paper. Learning is through only visualization, only having students memorized and hoping they get the best of what you're trying to present as a teacher. It doesn't carry through very much. It doesn't stick very much. Something else has to be done. Today with technology, teachers can create engaging interactive lessons and learning, teach through multiple senses. We can get various data of learning with computers. We can have a lot of hands-on activities, a lot of visuals. For students, learning through multiple senses, a lot of kinesthetic learning, collaboration, whether in class or out of class, the use of applications to guide students, and have a lot of different interactive activities. Grosky and Clark said successful connections has been viewed between technology and educational performance in various ethnic populations. We are teaching our students to be proactive and successful in their learnings, progressions to future ventures, and job outcomes. We need to increase the teaching and learning efficiencies and improve the quality of all of our curriculum. Today, uses of technology and learning, some examples are Nearpod, Vocabulary, Lead Forward, and Schoology are just some that we can mention. Some suggestions for closing the gap. We as teachers need to make adjustments on the go. We can try and make engaging content, online content, through hands-on activities. We can try to mimic those electronic devices or electronic activities, but it takes time and a lot of effort. And for a lot of teachers nowadays, it's something we don't have. That time and effort might not be readily available. And it might take us years to develop. We can also try to work with parents and the community. Working with parents and community could be a successful way to raise awareness for the need of money for new technology. We can always raise money through fundraisers and donations, but we do need to find a way to close that gap. Have our children, our students succeed for their future.